If you were previously a fan of this collection and have been waiting with bated breath for the REACH compliant formulation, the time is finally here. The 100% EU REACH compliant I Love Ink Brow Pigment collection made by Tina Davies and Perma LUXE has arrived. These organic-based hybrid brow pigments are based on the original best-selling Tina Davies I Love Ink pigment collection and include the newly reformulated bolder brown pigment, which has a higher opacity and more neutral undertone than the previous bold brown. Perma LUXE have been perfecting the REACH-compliant reformulations of their much-loved classic pigment sets, and artists all over the world will be thrilled to finally get their hands on Tina's I Love Ink Luxe Brow set. The I Love Ink set features 7 shades that will allow you to create incredible looks on clients with all skin tones and undertones. It also includes a shading solution that allows you to fully customize your pigments to your client to sheer out pigment to make the results as bold or as natural as your client wants. The pigments included are ash brown, grey, blonde, medium brown, dark brown, bolder brown, and ebony lux. Pigments can be used neat or mixed together to achieve the perfect colour match for your client. The LUXE set comes with the reformulated bolder brown with medium opacity, which heals into a neutral cool dark brown that works perfectly on Fitzpatrick tones 3 to 5. Tina reformulated this industry favourite after receiving artist feedback about excess warmth, perfecting the formula to produce a flawless heal. If you're ever unsure about how to use the colours in this collection, you can refer to the included colour chart. This is so helpful as it breaks down the pigment colourants, advises on undertones, and which clients it's most suited for. There's even a section on what colours it will cover up as well. A swatch at the bottom helps you to get just the right shade for your client. These pigments are vivid and long-lasting, which makes them perfect for clients who want low-maintenance results that won't easily fade. As with many organic pigments, results appear warmer on application than they do once healed, and can be used with either microblading tools or PMU machines. And because they're made by Permablend, they are all vegan and cruelty-free. So, are you excited to try out this newly reformulated line of pigments? The LUXE I Love Ink Brow Pigment Collection is available now from Killer Beauty. Just follow the link in the description below. Before you go, if you've loved this video, why not leave us a comment to let us know? Alternatively, like the video or subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube channel to get notified when we post about new product reviews, artist interviews, and inspirational content.